Golden milk, a warm beverage made from turmeric, owes its remarkable health properties to curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making golden milk a popular choice for supporting overall health. Regular consumption of golden milk may provide several health benefits. Research suggests it can help reduce inflammation, support joint health, and alleviate symptoms associated with arthritis. It may also promote heart health by helping manage cholesterol levels, support metabolic function, and contribute to prevention of certain chronic conditions. Additionally, golden milk may benefit mental well-being by helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Emerging studies also indicate potential protective effects against cancer and other inflammation-related disorders. Incorporating golden milk into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your wellness regimen, complementing a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. 1. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric, the key ingredient in golden milk, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. While inflammation is a natural response of the immune system that helps the body recover from infections or injuries, chronic inflammation can be harmful over time. Persistent inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, depression, and other chronic conditions. Regular consumption of golden milk may help manage inflammation and support long-term health. 2. Prevent cell damage. Golden milk may also protect your cells from damage thanks to the antioxidant properties of curcumin. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, can contribute to cellular damage and increase the risk of chronic disease. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced through normal metabolism and environmental exposures. Curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals and helping to reduce the risk of cellular damage, supporting overall wellness and longevity. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. Golden milk may contribute to better blood sugar management. When we eat, food is broken down into glucose, which provides energy for the body. Studies suggest that turmeric, the main ingredient in golden milk, can help reduce fasting blood sugar levels and exhibit anti-diabetic properties. Ginger, often included in golden milk recipes, has also been shown to lower fasting blood glucose in people with diabetes. For those monitoring sugar intake, it is important to review the ingredients of pre-made golden milk products, as some may contain added sweeteners that can counteract these benefits. 4. Supports heart health. Golden milk may also support cardiovascular health. Curcumin has been linked to a reduced risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by plaque buildup in the arteries and a major contributor to heart disease. Research indicates that curcumin may also help lower blood pressure and improve exercise performance. Other ingredients in golden milk, such as ginger and cinnamon, provide additional heart protective effects. Ginger has been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, while cinnamon may assist in regulating blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and preventing arterial plaque formation. Together, these ingredients make golden milk a heart-friendly beverage that complements a healthy lifestyle. 5. Strengthens bones. Golden milk can contribute to stronger bones when made with dairy or fortified plant-based milk. These sources provide calcium and vitamin D, nutrients essential for maintaining bone density and overall skeletal health. Health experts recommend consuming 3 to 4 servings of calcium-rich foods daily, including milk, yogurt, fortified plant milk, cheese, or calcium-enriched orange juice. A daily mug of golden milk can be a convenient way to include one of these servings in your diet. 6. May reduce cancer risk. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been studied for its potential effects against various types of cancer, including breast, pancreatic, colorectal, lung, and thyroid cancers. Research also suggests that curcumin may help reduce the severity of side effects from treatments, such as chemotherapy. While these findings are promising, it is important to note that current evidence is not sufficient to confirm that golden milk or curcumin can prevent or treat cancer in humans. Nevertheless, incorporating golden milk into a balanced diet may support overall health and complement conventional cancer prevention strategies. 7. Aids digestion. Golden milk may support digestive health, thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin. Research indicates that curcumin can improve symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, a condition characterized by abdominal pain, diarrhea, and nausea. Additionally, turmeric has been found to provide relief from indigestion comparable to omeprazole, a common medication used to reduce stomach acid and treat heartburn. Ginger, another key ingredient in golden milk, further aids digestion by helping to reduce nausea, heartburn, and general digestive discomfort. Together, these ingredients make golden milk a gentle and effective way to support gastrointestinal health. 8. Boost the immune system. Golden milk has a long tradition in India as a home remedy for colds and congestion, often referred to as haldi dud. Modern research supports these traditional uses, showing that curcumin possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Regular consumption of golden milk may therefore help strengthen the immune system and support the body in fighting off common infections. 9. Supports brain function and memory. Golden milk may support brain health and cognitive function due to the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin. Research indicates that curcumin can improve memory and attention. In a study involving adults over 18 months, participants who received a curcumin supplement showed significant improvements in memory and attention compared to a placebo group, with brain scans confirming these effects. Dairy or fortified plant milk used in golden milk may also support cognitive health. A systematic review of over 300,000 participants found that regular milk consumption was associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia, highlighting the combined benefits of golden milk for brain function. 10. Improves mood. Curcumin is also being investigated for its potential effects on mood and mental well-being. A meta-analysis of 10 studies found that curcumin supplementation may reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Scientists suggest that curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties may play a key role in these mood-enhancing effects. While research is promising, further studies are needed to establish optimal dosages and confirm long-term benefits. When is the best time to drink golden milk? Many people enjoy golden milk before bed, reporting that it helps them relax and achieve a restful night's sleep. However, some individuals may experience heartburn from the dairy content if consumed at night. There is no single best time of day to drink golden milk. Some prefer it in the morning as a caffeine-free alternative to coffee, while others enjoy it at night as part of a calming bedtime routine. Regardless of the timing, you can reap the health benefits of golden milk when it is incorporated consistently into your diet. How long does it take to see the benefits? Currently, research does not provide a definitive timeline for experiencing the benefits of golden milk. While curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has well-documented health effects, studies use varying dosages, making it difficult to generalize results. Commercially prepared golden milk, such as those from coffee shops or ready-to-drink products, typically contains lower concentrations of turmeric and curcumin than what is used in clinical research. One consumer study also found that lower curcumin concentrations are often preferred for taste, which may influence the potency of benefits. Consistency in consumption, alongside a healthy lifestyle, is key to experiencing golden milk's potential advantages. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to HeInfo for more trusted science-backed health tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Share your experiences with golden milk in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it fits into your wellness routine. Stay healthy and informed.